It sounds impossible, a brainless, shapeless blob that solves complex mazes. Meet the slime mold, lurking in damp forests and leaf litter. Watch as it stretches its golden tendrils, sensing faint traces of food at maze exits. Inch by glistening inch, it retracts from dead ends and forges the shortest path. No brain, just pure algorithm. Slime mold's secret is in its network, a living web of cellular signals, adapting and optimizing like a biological computer. In nature's grand puzzle, intelligence isn't limited to brains. Sometimes it oozes.